Welcome to Technology and Livelihood Education for Grade 7 and 8, Exploratory Course in Agricultural Crop Production. Our lesson title, Apply Safety Measures in Farm Operations, Wear Outfit According to Farm Requirements. Personal protective equipment, more commonly referred to as PPE, is required for many farm tasks. It is important to purchase quality products that meet safety standards and are appropriate for your work. PPE can reduce the number and severity of farm work-related injuries and illnesses. Wearing the proper clothes in workplace can help workers from serious injuries or illness. Protection from head injuries. It can protect workers from head impact, penetration injuries, and electrical injuries such as those caused by falling or flying objects, fixed objects, or contact with electrical conductors. It shall be worn by a farmer whenever working in the farm against ultraviolet rays of the sun. Examples of this are hard hat and hat. Protection from leg and foot injury can help prevent injuries by protecting workers from hazards such as falling or rolling objects, sharp objects, wet and slippery surfaces, molten metals, hot surfaces, and electrical hazards while working in the farm shop. Shall be worn to protect the legs from itchy worms and snake bites and mosquitoes bites when working in the farm. Examples of this are farm boots and apron. We have protection for eyes and face injuries. Protect workers from the hazards of frying fragment, large chips, hot spark, optical radiation, splashes from molten metals, as well as objects, particles, sand mist, dust, and glare. It should be worn during harvesting and other post-harvest jobs to protect the eye. And the examples of this are goggles and sunglasses. Then we have protection from hearing injury. It can help prevent damage to hearing. Exposure to high noise levels can cause irreversible hearing loss or impairment as well as physical and psychological stress. We also have protection from hand injury. It can protect worker exposed to harmful severe cuts or laceration in extreme temperature while operating some machines. Can help prevent workers from harmful substances causing skin absorption, chemical burns, thermal burns while handling chemicals. These are leather gloves and rubber gloves. Respiratory protection. Workers must use appropriate respirators to protect against adverse health effects caused by breathing air contaminated with harmful dust, fogs, fumes, mist, gases, smokes, spray, or vapors. We have here N95 disposable respirator, half mask respirator, dual cartridge respirator, or powered air purifying respirator. According to occupational safety and health regulations, employees must use the protective clothing or equipment in a way he or she has been properly instructed to use it. Must not misuse or damage the clothing or equipment, and notify the person providing the clothing or equipment of the damage, malfunction, or need to clean or sterilize the personal protective equipment. Remember to always wear protective clothing when working with chemical trace. PPE must be washed and dried after each day's use. Change gloves and respirator per manufacturer's specifications. Are you ready to stay connected and get involved? Make your answers be counted by using the live chat during the premiere or the comment section. Happy tasking! For our first task, keep our farmers safe. Identify the protection from head injuries that they are wearing. You got 30 seconds for this task. Time's up! Excellent! Hey guys, look closely. What PPE do you think is he missing? Please don't forget to key in your answers. Thank you for your help. Keep going, you're doing great. Grandpa is having a hard time to look for his farm protection. Can you help us find it for him? That's great! To protect Grandpa from itchy worms and snake bites and mosquito bites when working in the farm, what do you think does he need? Sup? Great finding! Protection from harmful severe cuts or laceration in extreme temperature while operating some machines. Your 30 seconds time begins. It should be worn by a farmer whenever working in the farm against ultraviolet rays of the sun. Is it A, B, C, D, E, F, or G? Key in your answers in 30 seconds. Awesome! Thanks for helping, guys. I hope that you enjoy our virtual lesson for today. And I hope to see you in my next class. Don't forget to please subscribe to my YouTube channel and ring the notification bell for updates. Bye-bye!